We got this device. It's the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and we are going to make a replacement of the LCD. The customer get us the LCD. He bought it from America, and we are going to put it for him. As the customer said, it dropped to ground, and then he got a half of the screen working. All right. You can use the alcohol with a syringe and using a plastic piece to go all over the edges. We need to remove the adhesive inside. The alcohol made the adhesive soft, and then we can detach it. This method is easily and can be done, and we can no need to the heating or the blower. You can use the way what you want. It's better for you. All right, this device is the first time being opened, so you have to be careful. Don't push hard the back. It's made from glass. You could break it. We don't need to do that. We are here to fix the phone for the customer. We are just doing the replacement, the old one to the new one. So in this video, we are going to replace all the parts. We are going to move all the parts from the old one to the new one, because the new screen comes with frame, and we are like doing transfer. That's what we will do. You always just go all over the edges. It's a safe area. Don't go in the middle of the phone, because we got there some flex cables and the wireless charging. At the edges, you won't harm anything. And that's what you should do. Alright? Keep putting the alcohol and keep pushing with that plastic pieces. This one, the yellow one, I get it from the iPhone camera lens protection. All right, so I keep them for that business. I was going to said something, I forgot it. What was it? Can't remember. So this is a voiceover. All right, I remember it. I was going to tell you about the isopropyl 99.9%, the one I used for PCP and for making the adhesive soft. So the back has been removed. Now we are going to remove all the screws, because we are doing here transfer. Also, don't forget to remove that charging flex wireless charging. I said it right? Maybe yes, maybe no. You have to be careful. Don't damage it. Remove it from one side to other side. As we always do, we are here to fix the phone for the customer. We don't need to make any other damages. The damage he got, it's that. No more. In here, you don't need to sort up the screws. They are all the same, as I remember, but we may have a black screw on the main board and the subboard, so that you need to sort them, because any other screw could go into the screen from the bottom. That's it. Start removing with the battery and then unplug all flex connectors to that main board. The camera's screw, consider subscribing. The camera screws, you should sort it. I didn't measure it, but it's important. Some pieces you have to sort their screws. This is a plastic, contains the ear speaker, I think, as I remembered. All right. What's done here? You have to remove also the SIM card. The SIM card may be from the bottom, from the other side, I remember maybe. All right, so it's in the other side. The main board has been removed. No, the ear speaker is still in its place. I can see it. It's that at the top right, it's the black one. These screws also you have to sort them. Don't mix the screws. Some parts we don't mix their screws because they could be different. All right, from the top, I think we have removed all the parts. Now let's go to the bottom. We are removing that black plastic contains the loudspeaker. This is a shield contains the loudspeaker. All right, unplug it. One push. One push. It's somehow sticky. It's not getting out, but it should. All right, it's out now. At the bottom, we also have some screws down, and we are going to remove the SIM card tray. And this is very important. We can't proceed without removing it because we can't then remove the subboard or we can damage it, or the SIM card tray could be damaged or bent. You have to remove the screws of the subboard. Now it should be loose. All right, let's now detach it. All right, it's out. We have here mainboard flex cable with the antenna flex cable. Also, we have here the screen flex cable. I'm just looking at the parts. This is the flex cable from the screen itself. Also, we have here a bottom, not a button. I don't know what it is, but you have to transfer it. And you have also to remove the battery. Put under it isopropyl alcohol, and then we can detach it from the housing. Don't make it hard, just easy pushes. All right, until it's out. The alcohol will leak into the adhesive and then it will come off. What parts still in there? You have also to transfer the one that has the pin inside. That flex, it's important to transfer it because it may not get the pin good. It will have some glitch with the pen that it's not inside or it's in and then outside. It happens with other phone. The customer told me that the pen has a problem and I didn't transfer this one. So it should be maybe to put the original one. That's what I conclude about that. So that will be transfer. And then here we have this button has also to be transferred. I didn't know what it is. The vibration maybe? Do we have a vibration there? Maybe the vibration. I didn't look into it very carefully. I start with it, as you can see. All you have to do now is just to transfer the parts. The screen the customer get us, it's a good one. It looks like the original one. You just have to transfer the parts one by one, and that's it. The job should be easy to be done. As you know, the first operation. Just follow my lead, and all will be done perfectly. Maybe we should start with the battery. You have to know that this screen, because it came from the customer, we didn't take a look at it. We just transfer the parts and then we try to power on the device. If it has any problem, it's not our problem. We just do the job he asked us to do. No more, no less. Alright? And that's what you do also. The loudspeaker, it should get in its place. You should hear a lockdown. It's like a beep. It's locked down or pressed down. The meaning, whatever the meaning, good for that. Still didn't get in its position, so you should hear the tick. That's important. And then everything should be easy. I think now we have finished the video. If you have any questions, you can just write it in the comments below. We will answer it as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.